What's up guys, Alex with your Tech Explained, and in today's video, I'm bringing you a quick review / revisit of the Mate 10 Pro. So this phone's been out on the market for quite a while now. I've been using the phone for quite a bit of time, and so yeah, you can consider it a revisit. A huge thanks real quick to everyone over on Twitter, because we did a poll a few nights ago, which video you guys wanted to see. This is the one you chose, so I'm here to deliver it. Let's jump right in. Hope you guys enjoy. So first thing I want to talk about is hardware. Yeah, it's still the same and it's still great. When you hold the Mate 10 Pro in your hands, you feel the premium builds and it feels great. Along with that, I have this blue variant that looks beautiful, and I really wish other OEMs would continue to take risks with the colors that they use for these devices. Huawei is doing a great job as seen here with the Mate 10 Pro and also the newly released P20. Next thing I want to talk about is battery life. The battery life on the Mate 10 Pro is the best battery on a device that I have used in a very long time. My phone is the center of my business, but also my life. So what that means is I'm a very heavy user, and with most phones, I'll have to plug them up by around 6 o'clock p.m. in the evening. With the Mate 10 Pro, I'm able to not have to carry a charger with me and use this phone as I please till I plug it up before bed, which at that point, it still has anywhere between 20 to 30% of battery left. Finally, EMUI and performance. EMUI 8 is Huawei's skin of Android 8.0 that is running on the Mate 10 Pro. And unfortunately, in my personal opinion, it's one of the worst skins of Android currently on the market. Performance on this phone is bad due to poor optimization. There's a bunch of pre-installed Huawei apps that no one uses, the sharing menus are slow, and look like they're copying iOS. And as a skin, it ruins all the great things this phone could have been, which also includes the camera because of the fact that image processing fails to give us what would have been one of the best smartphone cameras of 2018. And so now that I finished talking about software, I want to go into this mini rant. And Huawei, if you're watching or listening to myself or to other reviewers, this is for you guys. You had the potential to pretty much bring to market the best smartphone of 2018. The Mate 10 Pro has amazing hardware. It has amazing battery life, a beautiful display, all of these things put together. But because of the lack of software optimization, the camera and image processing failed. User experience was not where it could have been, and it just ended up being a subpar software experience. And here's the thing, Huawei, you can have great hardware, great battery, great display, but if the software isn't there, it's leaning more towards a beautiful paperweight than a beautiful smartphone that helps us on a day-to-day basis. And because of the bad software optimization and because of the lack of good image processing, I can't recommend this phone to consumers. At the price point that Huawei is selling this point, it's the same price point as flagships. And while this phone has flagship type of hardware, battery, and display, it doesn't have flagship software. And so I really hope that with this feedback and the feedback other reviewers are giving to Huawei, that improvements will be made in the future. But as it stands today in this revisit, I can't recommend this phone. Also, as some of you know, between the launch of this phone and where it is today, there's been some issues with Huawei entering into the US market, including some things said by the US government. If you want to learn more about that, I'll leave a link in the description below to an article talking more about it. But anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to subscribe to our channel, give this video a thumbs up, and comment below. I want to hear from you guys. What do you think about the Mate 10 Pro? What do you think about, I don't know, technology? I just want to talk with you guys. Comment below, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in our next video.